Hello everyone, this is Ms. Gutsell speaking. In this video, we are going to examine Add-ons Feature Number 2, Get Add-ons, for the Google Docs series. With that being said, let's begin. When I click on Add-ons and then click on Get Add-ons, the following menu appears. I can now browse for various add-ons that I could include in my Google Doc, or I could search for the one I desire using the search bar. After I have the add-on I desire, all I have to do is click on it, and then it takes me to a new screen with a simple description of the add-on. From here, I can begin the installation process by clicking the blue Install button. I'll then have to allow a few other permissions that will load on my screen as I go through the installation process. There are a variety of add-ons available in the G Suite Marketplace, which can be used to enhance the productivity of Google Docs. As such, in terms of what projects can be accomplished with these add-ons, it really requires a little exploration. As can be seen, the add-on has been installed, and now all I have to do is click Done. If I close out this menu and go back to add-ons, I can see that my word cloud generator add-on is fully installed and I can use it within my Google Doc. Thank you for watching, and I hope this video helped you grow in your knowledge of technology.